Okay, hi YouTube. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a hair tutorial. I'm not a beauty person. This is just me living my life. But I have the Revlon, oh, what is it called? Let me Google this for you. Let me Amazon it real quick. Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. I'm sure you've heard about it, but it's a must. So I just wanted to show you, I've had tons of questions regarding this dryer, just because I featured it in some of my Vlogmas videos, and I've had a lot of interest over on Instagram, so I figured I'll just make a separate video about it. I highly recommend this. This was not sent to me. I bought this with my own money, and it was worth every penny. It has changed my hair life. So, just a little bit of prep. My hair is freshly washed. And then I use this Styling Proof TBD Multitasking Styler. It's a cream. I just put a little bit in my hand, like a dime size, rub it between my fingers, rub it through my hands, and just kind of, I don't really touch the top, focus on the bottom portion of my hair. This stuff is amazing. It smells wonderful. Then, I haven't done this yet. I use my Tresemme Heat Protectant, Heat Tamer. And again, just kind of focusing on the bottoms. Make sure you take care of your ends. My hair has been air drying for the last, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes. So it's, I would say, 75% dry. I try not to do this on wet hair. You don't really want to style your hair when it's super wet anyways. I know sometimes you can't avoid that, but if you can, try to let your hair naturally dry some of the way. I'm going to divide it in half. Use my daughter's pretty hair thing. So I divide it in half, and then I kind of divide that portion in half like that and just put it on the side of my head. There's two settings on the Revlon blow dryer. Actually, three. There's cool, low, and high. I use high because I'm really impatient, but I'm sure I could get away with the low. I just don't want to. So I'm going to turn this on, speed this video up to kind of give you an idea. I'll just show you too while it's off kind of what I do. So I grab about that much hair, maybe a little more, about that much hair, and then on this bottom half I go on both sides, but I like to flip it up, and then when I get to the bottom I kind of rotate it, and then I do blow dry it from the bottom half, but then when I get back to the top I rotate it. So let me get started. Alright, that piece is already dry. Look how beautiful. It really smooths it out, and it kind of gives you the effect of when you go to the salon and they give you a really, really good blowout. It's the same idea, which I can never achieve that look at home with the brown brush and the blow dryer. I'm just not talented enough. So this kind of like cuts corners for you. I just recommend it. I know I'm just totally bragging on it. Again, not sponsored. They did not send this to me. I bought it with my own hard-earned money. So let me do the bottom part, and then I'll talk to you about the top part. bottom portion. I'm not kidding you, that took me 5 minutes, 6 minutes, if that. And I have pretty long hair and semi-thick hair. So now, take down the top, part it where you want. I just put mine in my natural part. I have a crooked, I should watch my language. I have a crooked part, so whatever. Embrace your part, you know. All right, and then I just kind of brush. If you have a brush, I would suggest brushing before you blow dry. I know this is a brush, but just so you don't have tangles and you don't get caught up. So, and then on the top, if you saw in the last clip, I'm kind of lifting. I kind of push and lift and curl so that way I get the volume on top. So let's get started. Okay, so that's it, you guys. I like to go over my hair. I didn't bring it down, but I also like to use like a hair oil to just kind of smooth it over. I'll use this Living Proof again. Not nearly as much as when it was wet, but about that much. Put it between my fingers and just focus on the bottom portion of my hair. And that just kind of smooths it all down. And that's all I do lately. It's just an easy, lazy way to get your hair looking beautiful. I take whatever's left on my hand and just kind of smooth down the top. And that's it. I'll show you here. Isn't that so pretty? Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching my little hair tutorial. I will leave a link below to the, what's it called? I'll leave the link for the Revlon styling brush, blow dryer thing, whatever it was called. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Am I in the shot? Can you see me? Thank you so much for watching my little hair tutorial featuring the... And then what I'm going to do is I've let my hair... Sorry, my nose is so itchy. Test 1 2 1 2. Can you see me in there, through here, and here?